Thengia wa arutwo kuhingura thukuru hari mathomo ma tamu ya gatatu, mathukuru metereire gutumirwo kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo ma tamu ino. Akiaria ari mwena wa Embu kuria arahingurire kigomano kigi mathomo, Minista wa Githomo Julius Migos OGAMBA augite NIMARARANIRIA na Ministry ya Kigina niguo irekererie kigina giki gia tamu ino ya gatatu niguo gutigirira mathomo ni mathi na mbere na oho kuhaririria igeranio iria ifatie guikarirwo muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu KPSEA, KJSEA na KCSE.
17 billion has been released for basic education. And I think about 5.9 billion for exams has also been released yesterday. And by the end of this week, that capitation will be in the schools. So our basic education institutions are opening for the third term this week. We are working with National Treasury, as I've indicated, to promptly disburse capitation to all the schools to ensure seamless and smooth operations as they embark on this critical term when there will be national assessments and examinations.
Migos ni aniriirie ati mibango etiganite igie kugacirithia githomo na makiria gia CBE ni ithiete na mbere kwarirwo na Ministry ya Githomo ni kurikiriria rarikiriria mendekithia 11 ma watho megie githomo.
The theme, reimagining education in Kenya, reforming teacher education for sustainable development, is at the heart of the ongoing reform process and encompasses the essence of evidence in the education sector.
Na hari gukinyaniria githomo kia university gukinyeria na riu Migos augite ngombo cia mathomo cia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 9.6 nicio irekereirio kuri arutwo 309,178.
As of last week, the Higher Education Loans Board had disbursed 9.46 billion in funding to 309,178 university and TVET students. This way, we will ensure that our students get the support they require to complete their studies. I think more resources were released yesterday, and in the course of the week, a lot more is going to be disbursed to the universities. The help is receiving another 9.1 or so billion.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.